Thank you for taking the time out to watch our videos here again. As you clearly see, this is a full-out rush repair for a falk gearbox. We'll be doing a full disassemble, acquiring the root cause of failure or damage, and address that issue. Any bearing failure, we will replace all bearings from OEM spec, repair shaft seal areas. If any gearing is needed, we will be manufacturing all necessary gearing and inner components to accommodate our customer. Please continue to watch this video. Thank you again for watching us at the National Gear Repair. As you clearly see, all our bearings are OEM from Timken. We are Timken bearing certified. Here at National Gear Repair, we don't use cheap products. We don't like to save a penny here. Everything is Timken or NSK. As you can clearly see here, all our bearings will be shrinked onto our shafts with liquid nitrogen, and then we have a bearing induction oven to heat these bearings to the proper temperature to expand and to slip over our shafts. Here at National Gear Repair, there is no hydraulic presses or porta powers or any force used bearings. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.